Good morning, my friends. So this is a mashup of the entire series of the antique Chinese cabinet restoration. And also I wanted to say thank you really quick to everybody for sticking with the channel during this weird transitional period. I'm changing my schedule. YouTube's doing something with their algorithm. I just wanted to say you guys are awesome. I appreciate you. Have an awesome day. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of this video, and see you in the next one.